Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're going to take you out to the Westside Baptist Church in Jacksonville for their annual Super Cruise-In car show. This is something they do every year in conjunction with the Super Bowl. They do a couple of days of events going up to the Super Bowl, and they just do a big car show on Saturday. And we caught it a couple years back, and we missed it last year, so we made sure to catch it this year, and it didn't disappoint. It was a really good car show. There were a lot of cars out there, somewhere between 100 and 150, closer to 150, because I think right before we left, they said they had 130 something cars registered, and there were probably cars out there that hadn't registered yet when we left. So easily 150. This is going to be the car show cam video. There's not a whole lot on it, so you can skip right by this one if you want. Go to the walkabout cam, the lid cam, or the scooter vision. Those are going to have a lot more content. So anyway, I'm going to shut up. We're going to take you out to the cars. So let's rev it up for them hot rods.
Spectator entrance.
I'll have to come back.
Yeah. Looks like there's parking down here too.
Well, I'll go back to that other one.
Oh, you can park right there. That's something else.
This is, yeah. I'm going to spin back around and go back.
Okay.
I was hunting a place to turn around.
Yeah.
Jacksonville, #1 for the best variety and the most music. 100 days to make me older.
Car show.
Car show, turn to the right, turn to the left, and the parking's behind the church.
All right.
And there are other people in the back to guide you.
All right.
And there is handicap parking if you need it back there, bud.
All right. Thank you.
Good Lord.
Good bit smaller than the first time.
This is this car show?
That's the car show right there.
Oh. Okay. Preacher's here.
Yeah.
There's nobody directing traffic.
No.
So where you want to park? Right there? In the handicap spot?
Well, I wanted to come around here and get a look-see.
Because you know you can't take up 2 spots.
I'm not gonna. I was thinking about,
Parking against the hedge?
yeah.
Okay.
In fact, I think that's what I'm gonna do.
Alright. I don't remember this show.
Well, it's been 2 years. I'm not surprised. We missed it last year because this was in the shop,
Yeah. Okay.
getting rear brakes done.
That one's pulled in crooked. You're probably okay. You're okay. Give them a nice little wave. They backed up for you. How do we get out of here? Okay. It's hot in here.
Let it vent out some of this heat.
Yeah.
Of course, I was getting kind of cold.
Yeah, I was cool, dear, the whole time. Kept stepping in here, and it's kind of hot. Dang, there are a lot of cars parked out here too, huh?
Uh-huh.
Of course, they probably have a lot of volunteers.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Westside Baptist Church Super Cruise-In Car Show in Jacksonville. This was an awesome show. Great turnout of cars. Lots of different cars. Lots of rare cars. Lots of cool cars. Lots of cool stuff was out there. We really enjoyed ourselves out of this show. It was a ton of fun. It's always great seeing different stuff at car shows. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you do all the YouTube stuff, the likes, the subscribes, the comments, the shares. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers to get that initial YouTube monetization to pay for some upgrades for the channel. We are well over halfway there. We are at 340 or 41 subscribers. I know in another video I said we were at 360 something. My bad. Anyway, so yeah, we're well on our way. It helps out the channel that you guys are watching the videos and liking the videos. It lets YouTube know that people are enjoying my content. So, anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do all the YouTube things, and we'll see you guys out at the next car show, whatever it may be.